Hi YouTube. This is my first time making a video. I know my hair's a bit of a mess. It's hot outside. Good morning, and today I'm going to try and teach you how to make a little star using a peyote stitch. But first, you'll need a string, some beads, any color of your choice, pony beads, scissors, and we can just get started. As you see, I made a star in advance. It's a red, white, and blue because it was 4th of July, was yesterday of 2018. I hope y'all like my video. This is my first one. I guess we can just get started. Okay, I am going to take 10 red beads. Okay. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'm going to cut the string. The string's maybe about that long. And we're going to cut it. And this is about how long you want your string. A little extra is okay, but there's always a way to tie it on, and I can show you that in another video. Now, what you want to do when you're getting ready to make the star is you want to add 10 of your choice colors. It could be rainbow, it could be or just a solid color. I choose to use a red for mine. So you're going to put 10 beads on your strings. There's 3, 4, okay. 1, and another one. Okay. So, you want to slide them in the middle and make sure they're like this. Okay? You can pause the video at any time to catch up. As I know, I don't think we have much time. This is what you want to do, is you want to take it, slide it down toward the end a little bit, so your beads are something like this. Next, you want to make a square nut. Make sure they're all tightly together, like so. Just like that. You do it 2 to 3 times, or however you prefer. I usually do it 3 times, just to make sure that it stays. I'm having trouble getting this third one here. And do a little, so it should look a little something like this. And don't worry, it'll start looking like a little pentagon, whatever that's called, as we go along. Now, what you want to do is, you see this bead here, you can take another color of your choice, which I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take blue. Okay, take 3 blue beads. I took 3 blue beads, and what you want to do is string them on your string. 1, make 2, and 3. So they're on your string. And what you want to do is go through this. You want to skip this bead where you see where your string's coming out. Skip the bead, go to the next one, and pull. Pull nice and tight. And you keep going until you have a star. So, what I'm going to do is take another 3 beads, 3 blue beads. I'm going to string them on my string. Okay. String them on my string. And go 1, skip 1 bead, and pull. Until you have a little something that looks like that. That's the start of your star. You don't have to worry about this little extra string. It'll come in handy at the end. So, that being said, you can keep going. Let me finish it off here. Pardon me, allergies are real bad this year from where I'm from. I'm from Pennsylvania. It's really hot today. I don't have an air conditioner. So, I need 3 more. This is just a basic star. See? That's what it should look like, somewhat. I'm going to put another 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to skip a bead, and the star's almost made. For my last step, put my last 3 on. There's 1, there's 1, 2, and 3. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. When you skip the 1 and pull through, nice and tight. You can go around it another time if you want to. Mine are usually nice and secure. And then what you want to do is that extra string you had, you can tie a knot. Tie the knot 3 times if you want. And this becomes your star. You should have something that looks something like hopefully everything's nice and tight. Everything's nice and tight. You should have something that looks like a little bit like that. I used to do YouTube videos, and they were based on like World of Warcraft music videos and all kinds of stuff. I got into working with candy beads or pony beads because somebody gave me a challenge at one point that I couldn't make a Hello Kitty out of it, which I ended up giving her that Hello Kitty, and her granddaughter loved it so much. But if you guys wanted me to do anything else, if you want to know how to make a dream catcher, I've made those 2 out of pony beads. And this is your basic peyote stitch, well, not really peyote stitch, just a regular star. You can learn how, if you can make this basic star, you can probably make a Mario mushroom. This is the one up. You can probably mix your star up, you know. I had a little baggie here. I've learned how to make lots of other things. Like there's the big Mario mushroom. There's a purple Pac-Man ghost. I know there ain't a purple one, but that's the only color I had at the time. I learned how to make a panda. Here's a blue ghost. Kind of came out bad. That's the first time I did that. I've learned how to make a vertebrae brace. It's a bracelet. It's in a stretchy cord. I went yellow and black because I live near Pittsburgh. And of course, obviously, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania for the Steelers. I made a crystal Pac-Man ghost. And I have glow-in-the-dark beads. Made myself a thumb ring. The flower. If you guys ever want to learn how to make one of those. I messed up on this one. But if you guys want more, just let me know in the comments below. If that's all for today. Hopefully my hair doesn't look horrible like it does today. I'm willing to help you where I can. If you want to buy any of my bead art of any kind, like, or if you want to send me something, let me know. I will send you a private message of what my address is. I've also made a lot of these color beads, but if you see your basic stars right here in the middle, then you keep going around, you can make a dream catcher. I'll put this in a different tutorial. I hope you liked what you saw today for your basic star for beginners. Let me know what else you want to see. I can make pretty much anything except the X-base cuff. I'm still learning that. And peace, love, unity, and respect. Take care, guys.